this is Lelio. He does the fresh fruit juice in SuperU. Always great to come and get a fresh fruit juice from here.
Hi everyone, this is Lelio Fresh Juice. I've been meaning to show you this stand for quite a while now because he does all this fresh fruit and he turns it into juice, which is awesome.
Lelio has actually been here since SuperU opened, like for 9 years, doing his fruit juice. And doesn't his stand look absolutely exquisite?
What we liked about it was this is all from Mauritius, so actual Mauritian pineapples. Probably grown in Congo.
Probably.
So here we are. It might be a little bit loud. Well, the machine's quite quiet, but he's got some pineapples that he's putting in and some oranges. And you can see it, like the waste pops out there. Oh, it's like a festive forest behind here. Watching it go through. And then goes the juice into there. It's actually foaming out. Wow. There we go. So he's putting in the fresh fruit. It is all cut. He does cut it so that there's no skin or anything on. Oh, what's that? The apple. So he's got the apple, the pineapple. Pineapple in there. Oh, have a look. Look at that. How much pineapple there is. So the pineapple goes in. He has to cut it into pieces and then in it goes straight in. So you know it's fresh. You know it is 100% fresh. And that's why it actually says fresh juice up there.
You can tell he's been doing this for a long time.
I mean, obviously, because I'm healthy, I've come for the fruit juice. But he does do bubble tea. So you can get a bubble tea and a lot of other things like smoothies and things. But for me, my favorite from him is actually the pineapple juice.
Oh wow, thank you.
So Ricky's gonna give it a try. Good.
It's really nice. It's pineapple and ginger.
Ginger as well. Oh yes, I forgot. You gotta have the ginger with it because it's healthy. Ricky likes it delicate with the straw and everything, but yeah, I'm always so thirsty. I just drink it straight up. Oh yeah, that is
Milky
good.
fruity smile.
Oh, give me a fruity smile.
Yeah. No, really nice. Super refreshing.
Oh, I love the ginger.
Yeah.
Always take the ginger. If you're gonna come get the pineapple, get the ginger. It is so refreshing. Oh yeah.
Lelio fresh juice. Detox options.
Awesome.
That's carrot, orange, ginger, better rub. I think that's beetroot.
Huh? Beetroot. That's a super fruit.
And it's very sweet, but no sugar?
Not sugar.
Not sugar, just
Not
the
sugar,
fruit.
only juice. Not sugar.
Wow,
Yes.
fresh, pure juice.
Yes.
So if you're at SuperU, come say hi to Lelio and get some juice.
Did you get the number?
Okay, so this just in, you can actually phone one of these numbers and get your juice pre-made for you and come pick it up when you go to your shopping. You're on.
C'est bon, c'est super bon.
C'est super bon. C'est super bon.
So when you come, ask for the super bon.
Thank you, Lelio. Can't believe how sweet that is. It feels too sweet.
I know, it's
Just fruit.
it is just fruit. Now I was watching, he didn't put any sugar in. Huh, really good. Oh man, Lelio fresh juice. It really is that fresh. Well anyway, this is probably another video you'll like. And everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.